The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires a listed swimming pool junction box to be installed between the polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, conduit and the transformer for the wet niche. This is explicitly stated in NEC 680.22. A5, which states a junction box shall be installed at each point where the raceway enters a transformer enclosure. The junction box serves several important purposes. Firstly, to maintain listing. The transformer's listing is based on it being connected to a junction box that meets specific requirements. Connecting it directly to the PVC conduit voids its listing. Secondly, it provides access for maintenance. The junction box provides a convenient point of access for future maintenance or troubleshooting. Thirdly, to improve safety. The junction box helps isolate the transformer from the pool water and reduces the risk of electrical shock. Regarding transformer suitability, the transformer is likely listed for supplying a wet niche. However, its suitability for this application depends on the following factors. Firstly, the type of wet niche. The transformer must be compatible with the wet niche's lighting system, for example incandescent or light-emitting diode, also known as LED, etc. Secondly, voltage requirements. The transformer's output voltage must match the voltage required by the wet niche luminaire. Thirdly, wattage capacity. The transformer must have sufficient wattage capacity to power the wet niche luminaire without overloading. Addressing luminaire compatibility, there could be a problem if the low voltage luminaire is not matched with the forming shell. The forming shell is designed to accommodate a specific type of luminaire with specific dimensions and mounting requirements. If the luminaire is not compatible, it may not fit properly or may create a safety hazard. In conclusion, while the cost of installing a junction box may be higher, it is essential for ensuring the safety and compliance of the pool rewiring. It is a requirement of the NEC and should not be overlooked.